Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ceeceemua. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be creating a look using Pixibeauty cosmetics. I got sent a few things from them and it's gonna be my very first time trying out their eyeshadows, their liquid shadows and everything. So I'm gonna see how it is. So stay right there and I would get my eyebrows done and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Eyebrows are done, you know, the whole shebang. To give this a fair chance, I'm gonna be using my P. Louise eyebrow base. Well, my P. Louise base. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be applying a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna do one eye at a time. So I'll just apply that here. Then I'll smooth it over with one of my brushes. This is some brush now. Alright, I was gifted with quite a few things, but the one I'm most excited about is this palette right here. It looks amazing. Although it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Calculate for me. 7 times 4. Jesus, I don't even know maths. Okay, basically it's about 28. So it's 28 shadows. So, but they are mostly shimmers. I don't know why that is, but I think there are a few mattes here that I can use on my eyes. Starting with this yellowish creamish color. I'm gonna just apply that in my brow bone so that, you know, it's a matte shade. I'm just gonna apply that here. I think it might be satin, you know. It presents as matte, but it looks like it might be satin. Anyways, I'm just gonna apply that here. So I'm gonna be dipping in the whole of this palette. There's literally about 4 mattes. We'll see what I come up with. Ooh, it's pigmented. Oh my god, it's highly pigmented. I literally put the slightest touch. That's it. I barely touched it. Oh wow. So I'm gonna go into the very dark shade here and apply that here. Alright, I'm gonna go repeat the same process on this eye and I will be right back. So I'm gonna cut my crease and we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna be applying this orangey shade here. I think it's I don't know if it's satin or anything. So I'm gonna apply that here in this negative space here. That is pigmented. This looks amazing already. Okay, they also gave me a few liquid eyeshadows. So this is like a liquid glitter. So I'm gonna add that just a tiny bit right on top. Alright, I'm gonna apply some gel liner. I'm gonna be using Lash by Davina. In the spirit of leaving everything Pixi, I'm gonna be using my Pixi vitamin C tonic. I'm gonna use it to freshen up my face before I put my base. Alright, I'll be applying my Pixi vitamin C serum. Alright, I'm using my Revolution Matte foundation in the shade F13. So will be using this one here. So it came with 2 lippies, so I'm gonna be, I think maybe I use this one or this one, I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna line my lips using Glory lip liner. I'm gonna finish my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So what do you guys think of the look? Because I am liking it. By the way, the eyeshadows are amazing. They are beautiful. They are stunning. They are beautiful. This palette, the shimmers are great. The shimmers are beautiful. The mattes are very pigmented. There's literally 4 mattes in it, so you have to use it in conjunction with another palette. Although in this particular look I did not do that, but it still worked out. But I'm sure if you're gonna have to use it, you're gonna have to use it with some other palette. And the glitter, oh my goodness, these glitters, what's it called, oh, liquid eyeshadow. They are amazing. Normally when I use liquid eyeshadow, by now it will start cracking on the top. This one doesn't, which is beautiful, which is, you know what, as in big ups for that. These lipsticks, they leave this residue here, as in obviously I can use it. I love the colors, I can use it, but if it would do without leaving the residue, I would prefer it, which is great. But the eyeshadows though, I love this look. I totally love it. And oh goodness, the highlighter, Jesus Christ, the highlighter is bomb. And they also came out with this lip gloss. I'm actually gonna use that. I'm gonna apply that here. Ooh, loving the look. It gives it this holographic look. Although out of all of this, it's only this color that probably worked for me. This color right here, it's called Knit. This color here. Then Zipper, Lace, the T and Clutch, those ones would not work for me, but I could use it if I was to do like a maybe you know, festival look, or you know, whatever. You guys should check Pixibeauty out. Trust me, it's amazing. Normally I'm used to their skincare, and their skincare is beautiful. Literally makes my face look so smooth. But now that I've used the eyeshadow, Jesus, I look forward to using more of it because it's amazing. I'm not just saying that because it was gifted to me. If I used that, it was trash, trust me, I'll be the first person to call them out. But the eyeshadow was actually really nice, so I love that. I love that. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.